What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a very simple yet very effective method to enable a vulnerability scan on your WordPress website for free, and among other security benefits that this plugin makes for you. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard. Always remember to access WordPress dashboard, go to your browser address bar, type your domain name plus wp-admin, enter with your username and email and password, okay? After, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, normally is next to appearance, and hit the submenu add plugin. Review the upper right corner of your screen. You're going to be able to see a search field, an empty field called search plugins. And type really simple security, just like this. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugin welcome dashboard. Now we're going to be able to find the dashboard and the settings. Focus on settings. Review this middle sidebar. We have general, SSL, security headers, vulnerabilities, hardening, and other features like login protection and firewall, okay? First thing, go to vulnerabilities and enable vulnerability scanning. Set on scan results. There's no vulnerabilities found on my site, but you can save this change. Now, from time to time, the plugin gonna make scans on your site to find potential vulnerabilities. It can be outdated plugins, outdated code, outdated WordPress version, some custom code that have problems on your site, outdated PHP version, or things like this. This is a very important thing, and you can move to the configuration right here, okay? You can do some setups, and of course you can change the notifications, okay? I recommend that you always keep email options well, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.